Today I'm going to show you how to get a snare sound in LSDJ. This comes from Ikuma and on the 8-Bit Collective forum. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a noise chain and a noise phrase. We're just going to we're going to add I don't know, 1, 5, 9, and D and E. So we're going to make this a noise instrument. We're going to change our envelope to E1. Our output is going to remain left and right. The length, however, is going to be 1C. And the shape will remain at FF. We are going to make a table, and we're going to use the transpose column here and add FF, FB, and F6. Now let's check out our new snare. Pretty cool stuff.